Hi guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, it's my personal opinion. Let's see what we have. Yeah, this thing I think is doing alright. My new trade. Or maybe not. Or maybe not. Look at this volume. Yeah. Okay. Or maybe not. Okay. First thing first. Yeah. Maybe it's just American markets weighing on Russian market, which now, as we know, autonomous and independent, but under heavy influence of American market. It's not the war that brings you independence, it's economy. So we all know that Vlad. You don't fool me. La 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 la. Okay. Yeah, I'll see about that. Ay ay ay. This is actually good for a short. Believe me or not. This is actually good for a short. This one right here. Yeah. Look at this volume. Ay, ay. This is still bigger. Super technical volume distribution is long. It is scary though. It is scary. It is scary. This gives us hope because it is unvolumed. Up thrust. Look at the blog. So now it's 0.5 and this is half now. This volume though, this is just Unbelievable. Welcome. Yeah, after this amplitude, didn't give us a chance. Didn't leave us a chance. Yeah. Huh. Interesting. Then now popped. Wait, why didn't I buy it from here? Because we're in correction before 0.5. Strong approach, but this is gonna be bigger. Yeah, volume distribution I need. Because of this volume, I needed to change the direction on daily. I needed to change direction on daily. Interesting. One bar reversal, huh? Normally doesn't work. 882, 884. So we'll need a close manipulation signal if it comes there. Yeah. That's why we need test. This guy goes. We can rechart. Down, down, down. That's our first up. And this is now this. Since the exhaustion volume is here. Oh, we are not over with it yet though. We think we are. FedEx, you remember what FedEx did here? And then sexy. Interesting. That was an entry. Up thrust. Now it test. Now it test. It's in the spot. Last hour. Last hour. Boom. Boom. Last hour. Last hour. It's at that level right now. Yeah, and actually, we believe. But I believe. Yeah, that's the situation. We believe in change of direction here. This guy. Unstoppable. Are they Hong Kong? Just Hong Kong is in like third place in the world by the amount of foreign investment. It's unbelievable. Even with all this like Chinese takeover. Technically it closed above, but then look at this. It looks like it wants to break. This up thrust and then didn't go, you know? I think since the correction, yeah, we need to assume or otherwise monthly is in contradiction with yearly, with annual. So I think we should, yeah. Yeah. Wait, where was? Microsoft? Yeah, it's here. It can be either this or that. If it's continuation of the trend, but we believe in transition extremum. However, it's so close. But it's 0.5. Probably it's gonna give the volume. It's interesting. It's interesting to watch. We can also see the coincidence of the levels or matching levels. Coincidence of the level? I can't coin the English term for it. The point is levels coincide. So here you go. Here you go. I think it's good for short. Maybe not. Look at this volume. There's gonna be bigger volume on the reaction bar. And it should not be like that. It's a little scary here. We're at this level, you see like the volume level. Interesting. Oh wait. That's why we need a test. It seemed like such a good volume. Just don't wait for a test, but look at this. Yeah, 1 minute looks way better. Up thrust, and that's a test, and then it doesn't go. Yeah. No, this volume is weird. Wait, what we were looking at? Oh yeah. HSBC. Already got it. Wait. Mastercard, MPC. Microsoft is getting there. This guy's gone. You see, this stock just defies the logic. It's like, oh. Not for long though, I think. Unvolumed up thrust, so. Pepsi is doing it right now. Look, bigger volume on test. It's a cute little 0.5. I think market sees it. Even though it's like... Yeah. The real wave comes from here. So... in all reality, I don't even think it's a legitimate level. It went up here. Yeah. In all reality, it's a visible part of the wave, but that's not how we use 0.5. So it's counter trend. It's not from daily. This is a good volume. This is a good volume. This is a good volume. Very local. Very local. Nothing like, yeah. See what I mean? I can keep it open. Show me this guy. Yeah, 1 minute is beautiful. And 1 minute, this is the entry. And still, you don't want like such a big volume on the test. That's alarming. That's alarming. That's alarming. It's very tempting to close the part, but I mean, I think we should hold strong. I think I should hold my fort. Yeah, look at this guy. That was 2 bar. But there's all this volume. Look at this. Only something super super short and sweet is all I'm saying. Because I mean, like, realistically, look at it. Look at these volumes. However, look at this. Not bad, baby. Look, came to this volume, gave this volume, and bro. Yeah, right there. Right there. Yeah, I can get nothing out of it. Let's see how it interacts with the hourly. With the daily level on hourly. But Google is right there. Yeah, no. I don't think it's a good sign. I don't think it's a good break after this volume. Yeah. Boom. Look how beautiful it is. Where is this volume? In March. And there's bigger volume here. So technically levels coincide again. Just like this. And how volume distribution looks. Looks long. was a massacre. And here too, so no, this is the bigger volume. Hmm. Five minutes is not that indicative. Five minutes is not that indicative. And since it's not, I'll have to lower. One minute is more indicative of what's going on here. Yeah, it all looks long. On the minute. So it's here. It's down there. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. It's a little alarming. But I mean, Wait for a test. Just because it's a wave here. That might need a test. Or maybe not. There is a wave, but the volume is very evident. Yeah, no, I think I should take it. And look at this guy. You see the test? Yeah, I think I should take it. Class A. And then okay. I'm in. I'm in. And it's a swing on Google. 929. Perfecto. Tomorrow is holiday. How sweet. Okay. And 157.93 is my take profit. up limit is my, yeah, 1, 2 is the reward. Oh, okay, let's describe. Then you see weird test and the break and the change of direction. Good job. Good job. Okay, starting from annual, it's a trend, 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 trade, long impulse, resistance level. Yeah, that's what we have on the year. That's what we have on the year. It's trend trade. This long impulse plus T2 level. Before onto correction. It's a trend trade. Day. It's a trend trade. It's a long impulse. It's a sign of jump of creek test G2 level. It's a 1-2 correction. Yeah. Trend. In 1 hour. It's a conservative trend trade. It's a long impulse. It's a coincidence of level. 1 hour, 1 day level coincide. How do you spell coincide? Coincide. Yeah. That's T2 level. Its biggest volume 2 bar spring minus 1 calculated stop limit 1 to risk to reward take profit. Oh, and it's a support level. It's conservative trade. I think I missed a support level. Yeah, okay. That's support level. Habitually forget to mention the support level. Same on monthly. TT level plus support level. And monthly. And this is probably not good. But we don't know what volume here will be. Oops. And here it's T1 level. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. Let's share it with the world. Google 1 hour swing long daily trend, monthly trend, yearly trend, continue long trend wave technical, long setup, say volume spread analysis, support distance zones, take profit, Wyckoff. Did we have Google? I did have Google. Oh my gosh, was hallucinating so hard on this guy. That's back in the day when I was doing shit. Anyhow, I'm not sure about the monthly volume on March, but it's a short trade, so I hope I'll be good. Okay. Yeah, my only concern here is this volume. It's a little bit big. but we don't see anything critical on daily. Maybe this too, yeah. But now we already have a bigger volume, so I'm optimistic. I'm optimistic. Yeah. And I think it's enough for today, at least for now. I wanna bail out and go start my day. Yeah, I see like beginning of correction, reversal. Some culture call it evening star reversal. Morning star reversal, right? Or evening star reversal. I don't know. Whichever. I don't think so. Look at this guy. This too. It's an hour. It's an hour. That just rallied. Absolutely rallied. I don't know, you guys. I'm trying, but it's so hard. But it's so hard. This English thing. Now March looks a little bit massive, but again, I mean, the heck is this? Oy oy oy. Oy oy oy. Look at all this violence. Look at all this violence. This weighs down on Meta. This weighs down on Meta. It looks down. And then boom, boom. It's all interesting. Hold on, let me plug it. I think I need a break. Because yeah, it was alright. And now this. what to do with it. Other than to put it on the hourly watch. What the heck? Look at this guy, it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable what it does. Things that want to rally, they just rally. You see? Bigger volume at approach, and it didn't go. It wants to go lower. And now we are below this volume, so it's not in our favor anymore, it's against us. And here as well, bigger volume, and it weighs on us. It weighs on us. Phew. It's interesting because with the oil below 70, government pretty much wants, Russian government wants a weaker ruble because their government budget is designed with the oil price of 70 because Russian budget heavily relies on oil and gas. It's interesting. So by all considerations, it should go like somewhere here. It's an interesting time on the Russian markets for sure. They are at the crossroads, whether they want to continue to tailgate American market or become a thing of their own, whether the government can break the market in Russia easily. They are a player, the main player, and they are a judge, a referee, so the outcome is quite predictable. The outcome is kind of predictable, unfortunately. But still fun to watch. So the only reason dollar can go down against ruble. Ooh. Holy crap. This poor United Health thing. Just look at it. Oh my god. Defies any logic. Oh my god, poor thing. It has to correct, you see? Oh my god. %. Did it die? Did it die? The rest is more or less. Yeah. Okay, guys, I gotta go. I don't have to, but I want to. But yeah, that's what we have left on the table for today. Oh, this guy. Look at it. United Health. That's a tragedy. It's a tragic stock, unfortunately. Okay, that's all I've got. Take care, trade responsibly. See you soon.